All right, so we're gonna show you how to release the belt on our clutch system. And the first thing you have to do is you have to release these little clips. There's 3 clips, one up near the turbo, and then there's 2 underneath, one in the forward position and one just forward of the axle. Basically, there's a little button underneath the edge of the clip that you have to release in order for the clip to come undone. And then once you do that on all 3, you just have to loosen up. You should have a hose clamp in the front up there. You want to show them where the hose clamp would be, but I've since removed it on mine already. So the hose clamp would be up there.
Right here, the hose clamp.
You would take that off, and then once you have all that off, it just pops right off. And then there's your whole clutch.
Here's your clutch.
That's your.
Oh, you're missing yours, Bryce?
Oh yeah, mine's broken. I haven't replaced it again.
All right, normally this has a fan going around it, like this one right here. Show them. This fan on here, there's a fan going around there. That fan's not a must to have on there. Just to let you know, if it comes out, just make sure you get all your shit out of here though first. So, if you never replace the belt on here, this is how you replace it so you don't mess up the this plastic shroud or break anything. You go right under this washer and you take this closest nut right here, and you push it. And see when you push it, how the gap's there. You keep pushing it. Then you just pull the belt off. Pull the belt off. Get your new belt. Put your new belt on. Push it on like this. Run it around it. Oops.
And it's gonna want to spring back once you.
Oh yeah. See how this sprung?
It?
Yeah, when I turned it, it sprung back. So to make it easier,
you might have to reset it again.
Yeah. See how I pushed it in? How easy it got now?
And that'll loosen the secondary clutch back here.
That moves the secondary clutch. Then once you get it done like this, it's all done.
You just got to get it to release the spring, and then it'll tighten itself back up. It'll lock back up onto the edges of the sheets.
Yeah, it's almost. It's a little bit more to go. Push it like that. It's pretty good. There's pretty good.
Yep. And then once you start it up, it'll expand again, and then it'll reset itself, and that's it.
Yep. Go fire it up real quick. Make sure it's in neutral. Yeah, remember this normally has a fan that looks just like that around it. It's just a belt broke and broke them all off. And if that happens, it's not a big deal. Just make sure you get all the stuff out of everywhere. Yeah, go ahead. Yep, go ahead.